The basic FMS components include the inertial reference system, the autopilot flight director system, the auto throttle system, 2 CDUs, and 2 FMCs. FMS-related instruments include the EPR indicators, box air speed indicators, and the HSI. Additional indications are provided by the ADI, which display FMS mode enunciation. And finally, there is an FMC message light located on the flight instrument panel. On the ground, the FMCs use IRS information to compute an inertial position, which is also present position. When airborne, the FMCs will tune 2 DME stations to obtain a radio position. The FMCs will average the radio and the IRS positions to produce the FMC position, which is considered the aircraft's present position. The FMC automatically tunes to DME stations for position updating. These stations may be associated with either VOR or a localizer. Therefore, all ILS frequencies used for landing must be manually tuned. For the remainder of the lesson, you will be working with an on-screen CDU trainer. The on-screen trainer is limited in its ability to process multiple input. As a result, only certain touch areas will be operative during each task. Consequently, many of the other on-screen keys will not respond when touched. To expedite your progress, specific CDU instructions, as in this example, will be displayed on the screen. If during a task you make 2 wrong keystrokes in succession, help will automatically be displayed on the computer screen. You can also get assistance by touching the help box at the bottom of the screen. However, to obtain the maximum benefit from the lesson, please do not ask for help indiscriminately. If you are in the review mode, you may see an auto scratch pad icon on the icon bar. When this icon is pressed, the CDU will display the correct CDU entry in the scratch pad. Let's now take a close look at one of the 2 CDUs located on the forward pedestal. A control for the CDU includes line select key, mode and function key, and an alphanumeric keyboard. Other standard features include 4 message enunciators, 2 display brightness sensors, and a brightness control knob. The CDU screen can display up to 14 lines of data, including the scratch pad, which is used for displaying messages and entering data. Following a scratch pad entry such as ABC, if the page is changed, the scratch pad data will transfer to that page. Scratch pad entries are normally made with the alphanumeric keyboards using the clear key to correct mistakes. Momentarily pressing the clear key will erase the last character entered. Holding down the key will clear the entire scratch pad. If the scratch pad entry is satisfactory, it is then transferred to the appropriate line, such as Set IRS Position, by pressing the adjacent line select key. A line selection method allows previously entered data, such as the gate reference coordinate, to be copied into the scratch pad by pressing the adjacent line select key. The data can be transferred to the appropriate line, such as Set IRS Position, by pressing the adjacent line select key. If data is not appropriate for the line selected, as in this example, the scratch pad will display an invalid entry message. In addition, the message annunciator will illuminate for alerting purposes. Scratchpad messages can be removed by pressing the clear key, causing the original entry to be redisplayed. This action also extinguishes the message annunciator. The delete key is used to remove previously entered data, such as the Swede waypoint on the legs page. When the delete key is pressed, a delete message will appear in the scratch pad. To complete the deletion, line select the applicable field. If data cannot be deleted, the scratch pad will display an invalid delete message, which can be removed with the clear key. Other CDU features and procedures will be discussed in later FMS modules. Now let's continue for a few questions.